Mirroring. The rapport with another person, to build rapport, they let them know you understand their position from their perspective. You can do this by verbally paraphrasing, repeating back what they're saying to you. Okay, if you repeat back what someone says, you're demonstrating you understand the problem. You non-verbally assume their position. Now, this is in face-to-face. This isn't over the telephone. This is when you're face-to-face. And really, it would be more if you're sitting, less at reception because they're standing, you're sitting, okay? But if the other person is standing, stand. This is if they're aggressive. If they are standing, you stand. You're facing them. You're eye to eye. If the other person is sitting, sit. If they're resting their hands on top of reception, rest your hands on top of your table, okay? If they're sitting and they're crossing their right leg over their left, you do the same. Not straight away, but ultimately assume the same position as them. When they shift to a different position, gradually shift to that position too. The key is subtlety, all right? Otherwise, it's a bit creepy. The key is subtlety. And if you're being subtle, they won't notice this. Don't shift to mirror another body's position immediately after they moved. Give it some time, thinking of the interview situation. Give it some time and just subtly wait a few seconds and adjust your body position to mirror theirs. Your intent is not to manipulate. It builds rapport. Believe it or not, it builds rapport. So the conversation flows smoothly. And I can guarantee you would get the job. It's a mirroring sends an unconscious message that you are not a threat, that you are a friend. If you're in any doubt, do any of you watch EastEnders, Coronation Street? Okay. The other classic, you probably don't, I certainly don't, but the other classic is kind of BBC breakfast type programs, okay, where when they're sitting on their couches and they're interviewing, watch them. They mirror the person they're interviewing. The person they're interviewing crosses their legs, they do the same, because they encourage that interview. You watch Parkinson, he's probably long gone, showing my age now, but anybody who's doing that type of interviewing, they mirror the people that they're interviewing. Next time you watch Coronation Street, watch it with the sound off, okay? You'll be able to tell when the characters are in rapport just by observing their body language. They mirror to get you, to bring you in, to pull you in. When they're in rapport, you'll notice their body positions mirror each other. It is like a miracle. And when you're with your patients, if you do that, it will calm them down. Now, not somebody who is ranting and raving, but somebody who's starting to get agitated. If you mirror them, it will build rapport and calm them down.